Hi everybody and welcome to the Made From Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy and in this episode we're talking about a combo that you can use for phrases. Check it out. First I'm gonna use a phrase just like this one.
Break it down.
Then I'm gonna add baby scratches on the it and the down.
Break it down.
To come back to the beginning of the sound, I'm using 2 click flares.
Break it down. Break it down.
The second part of the combo is a 1-2-2 pattern.
Break it.
So I'm repeating the second word.
Break it down.
Now all together.
Break it down.
Alright, now let me show you on a beat.
Break it down. Break it down.